Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to be sharing my Paris travel diary with you. In case you missed it, the last video I posted was actually from London, the first stop on our trip. So then we took a train over to Paris and I'm so excited to be sharing these memories with you. You guys may or may not know this, but this trip overall was my first time out of the country. So I was so excited when EF invited me to go on this trip. They take care of your flights, your hotels, so many of the accommodations, and I wouldn't have wanted my first international travel experience to have gone any differently. So I'm so thankful for this trip and I am so excited to be sharing these memories with you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to go ahead and check them out in the description box and I will talk to you later. The reality of going to see the Eiffel Tower in the rain.
We're drenched.
There's literally water running down my face right now.
I wore the wrong shoes.
I know, this is the only walking day that I've worn booties. Thanks, Brian. Thanks.
Of it was open to the public, and you could find here the best items you could buy in Paris. So this is the oldest shopping mall in the world.